Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nan's Hidden Apron. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to do leftovers. Come on. Okay, I've got some chicken that I'm reheating in the oven. It's some chicken that we made. I actually cooked it in the slow cooker, and then Tom took it out and put it on the smoker to finish it up and give it that delicious smoky flavor. We had a reunion yesterday, a lot of family that I had met before and some family that I hadn't saw in a while. Y'all know what a reunion's all about, right? Anyhow, I took that with us and we actually used it as pulled chicken for barbecue or just however they wanted to eat it. And we had some left over, so I'm going to make General Tso's, I guess I'm saying it right, chicken with this leftover smoked pulled chicken. Like I said, I've already got the chicken heating up in the oven. Let me turn that down. I've got it on, I meant to have it on 350. That's what I want to put it on, 350. Now, in here, we're going to, mix some stuff up. All right. Hoisin sauce, half a cup. I have liquid aminos. Use soy sauce, whatever you've got on hand. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of that in. Now, if you like sesame oil, you can put some of that in it. I don't like sesame oil. Sadly, it took spending that much money on sesame oil to realize I don't like it. Tom didn't like it either, so we're even on that one. But if you're going to put sesame oil in it, I would go with a teaspoon. Okay. Brown sugar. I want half a cup of brown sugar. I'm going to use this 1/4 cup measure. Yeah, how about that? I'm using actual brown sugar today and not sugar substitute. Brown sugar swerve. Garlic powder. What is that? I think it's a teaspoon. It's called It Won't Fit. That's what it's called. Alright, let me get the smaller one. 1/4 teaspoon measure. That's what I've got. So I'm going to do about a teaspoon. And then I have ginger. And I'm going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of that. Crushed red pepper flakes if you like it with a little bit of spice to it. Just go with your taste on that. Rice vinegar. I'm going to use some rice vinegar. About 3 tablespoons. Two and a half. 2.5 sounds good to me. Now, let me go ahead and get this stirred together. I've also got I've got a green onion over here that I'm just going to use mostly for garnish. Go ahead and mix this all up and get it over here on the burner that's been heating up. So, half a cup of hoisin sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half a cup of brown sugar or brown swerve, whichever one you want to use. You can use regular garlic if you want to. I would put about 3 cloves in it, but I used a tablespoon or a teaspoon of the dried garlic powder, 2½ tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of dried ginger, a pinch of crushed red peppers, red pepper flakes that is. And again, if you want to put sesame oil in it, go right ahead, or anything else you would like to put in it. But that's what the sauce looks like. I'm going to put it on the heat. Now if this starts to thin out, then I do have some cornstarch over here that I'm going to use to thicken it back up. So let's get this sitting on here, and I'll get my stuff put up. And we're going to serve it actually over a broccoli stir fry. It's just that kind that you get at the grocery store that you stick in the microwave and heat up. Okay, I have got everything heated up, and I did put some sesame seed in there. I'm heating up, but you hear the microwave go off. Heating up the veggies in the microwave, so we're going to put this chicken in here, stir it around, and let it get a good coating of our sauce, and then I'll add more to it. Tom, is that done, honey? Is it cold? Is it hot yet? Or is it still just as cold as it was? Is it? Might have to use something to carry it if it's all the way through. Right. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to leave it like that. So we've got some of the sauce to kind of linger. So we've got some sauce that's going to get on the veggies too. So let me get those and get them in the bowl, and then we'll put this on. I'll be back in a minute. Alright. Here is our veggies. Now, we're going to pluck these. We don't like mushrooms, so we're going to pluck those out. And then I'll be right back. Okay, so we've got our veggies heated. And now, let's get some of this chicken and the sauce on there. Get some of that sauce. And get Tom's bowl over here. And he's going to have plenty of chicken. Okay, maybe I'll have just a little more chicken. But it's a quick way to use up some, leftover chicken. We're going to give it a taste. Oh, but wait. We do have some green onion to put on the top. Oh, just to make it look festively pretty. You want someone on your stove?
Yes, please.
Tell me when to whoa.
Whoa.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Looky. You see that? I hope it tastes good. If it don't, we're going to have some really rumbly tummies around here. Trying to get some broccoli on there, on that fork. Yeah.
I like that. That's really good.
It certainly doesn't taste like the general sauce that you'll get in the store or in a restaurant, but it's pretty good. I'm gonna go eat it. If y'all have not subscribed yet, I do hope you will. Click the subscription button, notification bell, so you know each time we put new content on. Comes over, channel down. I'm going to do the same thing. Y'all take care. See you next time. Bye now.